Revit is created and maintained by Autodesk, a leader in software for the architecture, engineering, and construction industries. You can find Revit on the Autodesk website at www.autodesk.com. There are several ways to purchase Revit, depending on your needs and budget. The most popular option is the full version of Revit, which gives you complete access to all of its powerful features. The AEC Collection, standing for Architecture, Engineering, and Construction, includes Revit, along with other essential programs like AutoCAD, Format, and Recap Pro used in the construction industry. It's slightly more expensive than Revit, but offers great value for professionals needing multiple tools. Revit LT, a more affordable version, is a great starting point if you're new to Revit or on a tight budget. While it may not include all the advanced features, it still offers a robust set of tools that can help you get started with your projects. All these options come with a 30-day free trial. This allows you to explore Revit features and see if it's the right fit for you before making a purchase. If you're finding this video helpful, check out RevitGamers.com. Our courses go beyond the basics, bringing Revit to life with hundreds of dynamic visuals and animations that make complex concepts feel easy. This unique training approach is designed to speed up your learning and make BEAM adoption smoother than ever. Every day, more students and companies are joining Revit Gamers Club to elevate their Revit skills. Don't miss out. Head to RevitGamers.com and see how Revit training can be fun, visual, and incredibly effective. There's also an option to access Revit without any cost. After downloading and installing Revit, instead of launching the full program, you can launch Revit Viewer by typing Revit Viewer in the Windows search bar. This version is free to use, but remember, you won't be able to save, export, or print your projects. It's perfect for training and getting familiar with the Revit interface and tools. Once you've downloaded and installed Revit, you can use the Revit shortcut created on your desktop or find the program in your Windows program list to launch it and start designing.